picked them up, had to be done. Had to be done.
It's my pleasure to introduce to you. He's a friend of mine.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Right, so today's going to be a vlog. Some pretty exciting news in this video. So I'm going to take you along on the day. It's just the morning. I've just been working on my laptop like I usually do. But can you see what I'm wearing? I'm wearing like something different. I'm going to explain in a second, but I'm just going to get another drink. So if you follow me over on Instagram, you'll have seen me posting like a few different designs for Sulfit and doing polls and stuff for different designs. What should I bring out? What should I release? So I just got a couple of packages in. I'll show you what these are. I've got two here and one here. You can tell what this one is. I'm going to do a bit of an unboxing. I've not done an unboxing video for a while. I don't actually know if I've ever done one. So, see what it's like. So, I had to order something from eBay because they broke on me the other day. I think this is what they are anyway. Have a look. Yeah. I was in the gym and like, I always wear my Dre Beats earphones, the wireless ones, and all of a sudden like they just died. So I went to charge them the next day and they just weren't charging. Like the charger just fully broke on them. Pretty annoying, and now they won't even like do anything. To be fair though, I use them every day for quite a bit of time. They've been through quite a bit of stick. Probably got sweat stuck in them or something from boxing. Yeah, I had to get a new pair of them. But I saw some on eBay and they're absolute bargain. I think they retail like $150. Saw some for 85 quid. But it should be like fakes and shiny. Yeah, these are like the triple black ones. Very nice. Power Beats 3. The other ones I had were 2s. But yeah, they're definitely original because they got all good reviews. I checked and the woman's got 100% feedback as well, so very happy with these. Came rapid as well. 85 quid. If there's still some available, I'll link them in the description. Like, that is a bargain. 12-hour battery life. Buzzing with them. LeBron James on the side as well. Right, what next did we get? Just another little package. So I've been boxing quite a bit recently. And like, the bag is a little bit heavier now. So I want to protect my wrists. So I've got some like wraps, hand wraps. They're just dead easy to put on as well. Like ones where you have to tie loads, they take ages. Honestly, you're there for at least 10 minutes, like unraveling, wrapping them. So I just thought I'd get some that you can wrap rapid. I've already got a pair. They're easy to wash them, so good to have 2 pairs. Right, the next big thing is, I had to cop these guys. I just had to cop them because I've been wanting a pair of Yeezys for ages, but they always sell out dead quick, don't they? So I saw that the triple white V2s were releasing and I just thought I'm going to have to get them. So, picked them up, had to be done. Had to be done. I got them in a size UK 10.5, which in theory they should fit. So let's try them on. So these retail at 180. I don't know what the resale value is yet. I'm going to have to check. If they resell for more, I might even sell them, but I don't know. Because imagine how dirty they're going to get. Like, I won't be able to wear them. I won't be able to trust myself wearing them. They are sick though. It's like a cream sole. Very cool. Right. It's the other one. And this time, they didn't even sell out as quick as they usually do. They must have had loads of stock for them not to sell out. Or the demand just wasn't there. Right, let's try them on. Let's see what they look like on the foot. But they're pretty sick, aren't they? They're a very fresh pair of trainers. Very fresh. First pair of Yeezys. So this is what they look like on the foot, guys. I am not going to lie. They are very comfy. Because they've got the boost sole. Honestly, it feels like you're walking on clouds. Oh. I tried them on before and I thought they were too tight. Because it says on the website, go a size up. So I'm usually a 10, I got a 10.5. But they actually do fit me like more or less perfectly. Obviously if you wear them in a bit as well, they're gonna give a little bit. But yeah, I don't know if I can trust myself to wear these. They're so nice. If anybody's interested in them, make me an offer and I might even be willing to sell them you. UK 10.5, US 11. If you're interested, give me a shout. But honestly, they're so comfy. I don't even know. They're such a sick cop. I am very happy with them Yeezys, to be fair. Very comfy. I just don't know if I can trust myself to wear them. Maybe I should make like how to style Yeezys. That'd be a decent video to make. But I am being serious, like if anybody is size US 11 or UK 10.5, drop me a DM on Depop or Instagram and I might even sell them you. So, right. One more thing I wanted to talk about is this grey sweater that I'm wearing. So this is a Sulfit sample. I decided that I want to release a sweater, excuse me, I'm getting over a cold, a sweater and another t-shirt before Christmas. It's like my autumn, fall, winter drop. So this is the colour I'm going to be releasing, grey. It's going to have a black, small SF logo here, just a Sulfit logo. Nothing too over the top, just nice and minimalistic. That's how we like it. It's got the raglan sleeves, nice slim fit. Honestly guys, I've been wearing it like every day. It's dead comfy, not too thick. But yeah, you can like wear it to the gym, wear it out. You can dress it up or dress it down, which is what I quite like about it. But yeah, these are going to be released first week November. I've ordered the stock, should be coming soon. I'm pretty excited about that. Sweaters, don't know, just seems to loving them at the minute. I'm going to put a picture on the screen of the design of the Ambition is Priceless t-shirt that I'm releasing as well. So let me know in the comments what you think. If you're going to cop one, yeah, let's go on with the rest of the day. I'm going to make some breakfast. Yeah, the unboxings are the one. I might have to do more unboxing stuff that's not just all clothing. MJ Beats, 85 quid. If they're still available, go and get some. I'll link them below, guys. That's it. Right. I think I literally am just going to be walking about in these in the house. They are sick to look at, aren't they? Dead wide. They just have presence. Whole video's just about the Yeezys. Yeah, the sweater's decent as well. How are you, doggies? Hello, good morning. You okay? Hello, Coco. Right, what are we doing? Breakfast. So the diet is still going well. Like, I am still getting leaner. I wake up every morning and feel leaner, which is sick. We've got about 2.5 weeks left till I go away to Lanzarote. That's where I'm going. So yeah, gonna look pretty good, I think, on the beach. But 10-week diet, I thought it was going to be harder than it actually is. The morning walks and the boxing have been helping a lot. But yeah, I'll let you know. I'm going to do a bit of a transformation at the end. And I might do like a video on what my workouts were during the 10 weeks and what my diet was. So that's all to come, but I'm going to make some breakfast now. The usual stuff like egg whites, bacon, tomatoes. Always bloody burn stuff, honestly. Wouldn't be good on MasterChef. Right, tuck into this and then go to work. What's up, guys? So I got to finish with work. A bit of an incident happened this morning on my way to work, driving. So I was stuck in traffic on the bypass where I go down to work. It sounded like roadworks. Next minute, I'm just sat there like coasting, probably at like 10 miles an hour. Next minute, I see this massive shunt up behind. Some guy's gone into the back of me in traffic. Like, so he's obviously on his phone, or just pissing about, not concentrating, went straight into the back of me. Why is it? It's not bumper cars with my S3. So I pulled over, got his details or whatever. Luckily, it's a tiny mark, like there's hardly any damage, which I'm lucky at. It's not going to take it through the insurance because it's way too much hassle that, but I'm going to ring the guy and he can give me some money towards fixing the dint. So yeah, that was this morning. It's a bit of chaos. The S3's alright though, she's alright. But now, I'm going to head to the gym. Got my new Dre Beats, which I showed you this morning. Triple black is so nice. I'm going to have a monster. And yeah, I'm going to watch Mile 22 later on. She's supposed to be sick. It's the new Mark Wahlberg film. Looking forward to that. But quick gym session, and I'll get some food after. It still doesn't get old, that noise. Honestly, it just doesn't. One of my favourite tunes, guys. It's so sick. Chris Lorenzo together. Mint. Gets you hyped for the gym, honestly. I tell you what, guys. Boxing is so good. I absolutely love boxing, you know. So good. Just like, it's like therapy. I think it's my new favourite thing. Honestly. Very good. Decent session. I think if I put like a lot of work into boxing, I could become pretty good at it. I don't know. It's just good to switch up the training, I feel. But I'm going to Tesco now. I'm going to get a few bits for the cinema. Healthy popcorn. You know what I'm like. And I'll catch back up with you when I get home. I've got to get some food before I go as well. Decent, substantial meal. What's up, guys? So I got back, got changed. This is my cinema outfit. So we've got H&M hoodie, it says peace on it, which is pretty decent. We've got the Alphalete premium joggers, which are very nice in burgundy. And then we've got some Nike Flyknits triple black. Very nice, complement it well. We've got rose gold and black accessory and a nice little watch. I'm gonna head out. I've got some popcorn. I've got my skinny popcorn with me. So yeah, it should be a decent night. I'll let you know what the film is like when I get back. So I'll catch up with you in a bit. What is up, guys? So got back from the cinema. To be fair, Mile 22, very decent. Definitely recommend going and watching it if you like films and that. I'd probably give it maybe a 7.5, 8 maybe. It was pretty good. But I'm going to end the video there tonight, so I hope you did enjoy this one. Bit of a vlog. If you did, drop it a like, subscribe if you've not already, and I'll catch you on the next one.